If you are looking for a classroom in Duolingo to join, this video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, if you would like to join a classroom, you need to have a code that is provided by your teacher or any person who is hosting that classroom. So let's get started. Launch your Duolingo application. Once done, make sure that you are logged into your specific Duolingo account and then tap onto your profile, which is also called a Bitmoji or your face emoji on your bottom right side. Just as you do that, you will see a settings icon or the gear icon on your top right. And under account, you will see Duolingo for schools. Open it. And likewise, it says join a classroom. For that, enter the code shared by your teacher. This lets your teacher see your progress, send assignments, and control your account on Duolingo. You will need to have entered this 6-digit code here. Tap submit. If the code is correct, you will be inside the classroom and your teacher will be able to see all your progress. Just like so, guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.